Watch SDS2 build this entire platform in under 5 minutes. SDS2 will create automatic connections, member and erection details, reports, and CNC for the shop for this entire structure. It will become the 3D database for the entire job, for the fabricator and onto the field. If you have access to a BIM model that has been created in another software, you can import it in as an IFC, CIS2, or a DWG file. If you don't have access to a BIM model, you can import a 2D drawing to overlay as shown in this example. Oftentimes you are given a set of 2D drawings to build the model from. With SDS2 you can import a DWG, DXF, or DGN file type to snap to when building your structure. You simply have to go in and trace where all your beams, columns, bracing, and joists are located for all the members in your job. Once you have added all of the structural members, the system will automatically design the connections. We use a code-based connection design routine that looks for both perpendicular and opposing members to make sure that your connections will fit into the field. Whether these are beams, columns, bracing, or joists, SDS2 has these connection checks that then you can send to an engineer for verification and approval. This will make sure that they are meeting all your design requirements. Once the connection automation is finished, the model has already accounted for the erectability and constructability of the connection so that everything fits in the field. Once all the structural members are added into the model, then you can go back and add in the secondary steel. These common items can be outriggers, hung lintels, curb angles, and a number of other items found in your structure. SDS2 uses both components and parametrics to add in these members. These can even be customer written macros that allow for many variables that your company needs. The dialog boxes can be created by the customer and can be modified from job to job. A completed SDS2 model will include all the material that's located on site. So buyout items such as decking, grating, or plate will need to be defined within the fields. In this case, you'll want to know who your decking manufacturer is so you can define the number of ribs, depth, and thickness in the window. Once you've established that, then laying the decking out in the structure becomes very simple. You just pick the start and end points and then populate the fields needed from your manufacturer. By adding these items into the model, then you're able to check for interferences before they're fabricated or shipped to site. This will allow for prefabrication of these items. You could piece mark and ship them to the field with all of the end cuts, copes, and banding required. This will save a very critical amount of time in the field and eliminating several field fabricated items. This type of pre-planning helps ensure accurate quantities and proper fit in the field, making construction of the building faster. By providing an LOD 400 model, all other trades then can view and plan their work packages based upon the model you have provided. Stairs and rails can be a constant bottleneck for a fabricator in making sure that it fits with the structure and detailed the way that the shop needs it. We add the handrail to the members and the stairs, making them one element. If a revision were to come back and the stair needed to change in elevation or angle, the handrail would also update. Using the beam or stair as a means to add in the railing allows the user to add this in as an isometric view. As you can see, this is making it a very quick input. Once you're given the location of the handrail, then you can load in the company standards already created, or you can update the fields necessary for that situation. Features in SDS2 will automatically calculate any returns when simply picking a stair stringer. Using handrail tools such as connecting the rail at the landing, changing splices, or moving posts can all be done on the fly. Enhancements done to the stairs and rails have made them just as easy to add as primary members and just as profitable to detail. SDS2's automatic detailing routines create a set of drawings that take less time to modify than any other system. At any point while modeling, you can check on the 2D drawing of a member. You can look at the main member or the individual pieces that make up that member. A complete bill of material is populated for every member type. Detail sheets, erection drawings, including anchor bolt plans, are all automatic. Based upon the options chosen for the detail sheet autoloading criteria, the member piece marks are automatically renamed as they are placed on the sheets. With the sheet loading criteria that I have selected, I have multiple beams on one sheet. As you can see, as I select them, they're automatically highlighting in the bill of material. At any time, I can go back to the detail, make my modifications, and they automatically get updated onto my sheets. When creating erection drawings, they undergo the same process as creating member and submaterial drawings. If there are any modifications necessary, I'll do it on the drawing, and then once it's ready, I can place it on the sheet. Once you are finished with the 2D portion, then it is ready to send out as a 2D DXF or PDF for checking. Sending PDF files to a viewer such as Bluebeam is a great way to view all of the drawings produced from the software. Mezzanine and storage systems are a great fit for SDS2. Call our sales team today to learn more how SDS2 can help you.